Adding DuraDecor planks to your floor is a quick and easy way to elevate the look of your home.
This video will help walk you through the steps necessary to install DuraDecor planks on your floor.
Before you begin, check and make sure all lot numbers on the packaging are the same. This will ensure you have the correct product.
DuraDecor boxes must be stored flat for at least 12 hours in a 65° to 85° environment.
In preparation for your project, remove any wall base or baseboards and undercut the door trims to slide the flooring under.
Also, the entire installation area must be cleared of dust, debris, moisture, and any damage.
Using a HEPA filtered vacuum is recommended.
Refer to the included instructions or visit our website for additional information regarding various substrates and warranties. Please pause the video here to review the tools needed for this installation.
In this video, we will be showing you how to install a random pattern layout. For different designs and patterns, visit DuraDecor.com for inspiration and tips.
To begin, measure the area and calculate to determine your starting line, which will be in the center of the floor. Mark this across the floor using a chalk line.
The layout should be balanced with equal-sized planks on the first and last rows. If the first and last rows are less than half the width of a plank, move your center line over by half the width of a plank. When installing your planks, make sure the arrows on the back of all planks are running the same direction.
Remove the release paper from the back of the first plank. Correctly position the plank gently along your starting line in the center of the floor.
Apply your second plank to the floor. Keep it snug to the first and continue this until you've completed the first row. Be sure to mix planks from different boxes for a more random appearance.
For the end pieces, measure, mark, and cut with a utility knife and framer square, scoring the plank multiple times, and then snap the plank along your cut line.
Be sure to leave a 1/32-inch expansion gap around the entire perimeter to allow for any expansion. As you complete each row, roll firmly with a 100-pound 3-section roller.
Failure to roll may result in bond failure as the adhesive is pressure sensitive. We recommend using the remainder of the cut end piece to begin your next row to prevent excess waste. This piece needs to be at least 9 inches in length.
As you continue completing your next rows, make sure to have at least a 6-inch end seam separation between the planks on the previous row to ensure proper spacing.
Continue filling in rows from the starting point until your floor is complete, making sure to continue mixing in planks from different boxes.
Throughout installation, be sure to inspect each plank, checking for any defects. On the final rows, measure plank to fit for the last row, leaving a 1/32-inch expansion gap.
Once you have completed the installation, replace any wall trim, cove base, or moldings. Do not perform any wet maintenance procedures for 72 hours after installation.
For more information about maintaining your DuraDecor floor, visit our website at www.duradecor.com.